Hello students, in this class we are going to learn 7th class mathematics 7th chapter data handling exercise 7.1. First problem, maximum daytime temperatures of Hyderabad in a week from 26 February to 4th March 2011 are recorded as 26 degrees centigrade, 27 degrees centigrade, 30, 30, 32, 33 and 32 degrees centigrade. What is the maximum temperature of the week? Let us solve this problem. If we observe all these temperatures, the maximum temperature is 33 degrees centigrade. So, the maximum temperature is equal to 33 degrees centigrade. What is the average temperature of the week? To calculate the average, we use the general formula, that is, average is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So here the observations are temperatures, so we convert the formula as average temperature is equal to sum of all temperatures divided by number of days. That is equal to, add all the temperatures, that is 26 plus 27 plus 30 plus 30 plus 32 plus 33 plus 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 temperatures are there. So that divided by number of days 7. That is equal to, if we add all the numbers, we will get 210 divided by 7. Cancel in the 7 table. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, 7 0 is 0. That is equal to 30 degrees centigrade. This is the answer. Next problem. Rice consumed in a school under the midday meal program for 5 consecutive days is 15.750 kgs, 14.850 kgs, 16.500 kgs, 14.7 kgs and 17.7 kgs. Find the average rice consumption for the 5 days. Let us solve this problem. First of all, we add all these amounts of rice in a table format. Day 1, the rice is 15.750 and for day 2 it is 14.850. For day 3 16.500 and day 4 14.700 and day 5 is 17.700. Do the total. 0, 550, 1 carry, 8, 8, 16, 16, 5, 21, 28, plus 7, 35, 3 carry, 8, 12, 18, 22, 29, 2 carry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The total is 79.500 kgs. Now we will calculate the average rice consumption. Average rice consumption is equal to, so average formula, what is the average formula? Sum of all observations by number of observations. Here observations are quantity of rice. So sum of rice consumed divided by number of days. That is equal to 79.500 divided by 5 days. So cancel in the 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Remainder 2, 29. 5 5s are 25. Remainder will be 4. You put decimal point, 45 will become 5 9s are 45. 5 0s are 0. 5 0s are 0. So that is equal to 15.900 kgs. This is the answer. Next problem. In a village, 3 different crops are cultivated in 4 successive years. The profit in rupees on the crops per acre is shown in the table below. Calculate the mean profit for each crop over the 4 years. This is the table given in 2005, 2006, 2007 and 2008. 4 consecutive years, the groundnuts, jowar and millets crop profits are given here. So we have to calculate the mean profit for each crop over the 4 years. Let us extend this table. We will calculate the total profit, and mean profit will be total profit by 4, because the data is the 4 years data. Now total profit for groundnuts 7,000, 8,000, 7,500, 7,500. 7 plus 8, 15. 7.5, 7.5. This is also 15. 15 plus 15, 30. This will be 30,000. The groundnut profit is, total profit is 30,000. Then mean profit is equal to 30,000 divided by 4. So that is equal to, if we divide in the 4 table, 4 7 ja 28 and 30 minus 28 is 2. It will become 20. 4 5 ja 20. 4 0 ja 0. 4 0 ja 0. This is 7,500. For jowar, the total is 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 8 15. 15 plus 1 16. 16,000 is the total profit. The mean profit will be 16,000 divided by 4. That is equal to 4 4 is 16. It will become 4,000 rupees. And for the millet, the total profit is 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 3 17. 17 plus 4 21. 21,000. So mean profit is 21,000 divided by 4. So if we divide 21, 4 5 is 20, the remainder is 1, will become 10. 4 2 is 8, the remainder will 2, become 20. 4 5 is 20, 4 0 is 0. This is 5,250 rupees. The second bit is, based on your answers, which crop should be cultivated in the next year? If we observe the profits, all the profits, the profit on groundnuts is more because it is 7,500. So profit on groundnuts crop is more, therefore groundnut crop should be cultivated for next year. In the next year. Next problem. The number of passengers who traveled in TSRTC bus from Adilabad to Nirmal in 4 trips in a day are 39, 30, 45 and 54. What is the occupancy ratio? That means average number of passengers traveling per trip of the bus for the day. Let us solve this problem. The occupancy ratio is equal to total number of passengers. Total number of passengers divided by number of trips. That is equal to, here 4 trips are there, or 4 trips, the passengers are 39, 30, 45, 54. Add all these numbers, 39 plus 30 plus 45 plus 54 divided by number of trips are 4. That is equal to, if we add all these numbers, we will get 168 divided by 4. Now cancel in the 4 table. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8. That is equal to 42. Number of passengers is the occupancy ratio, 42 passengers. This is our answer. Next problem. The following table shows the marks scored by Anju, Nilesh and Lekhya in 4 unit tests of English. Find the average marks obtained by Lekhya. Let us solve this problem. Average marks of Lekhya is equal to, Lekhya wrote all the 4 unit tests, so sum of all marks divided by number of tests. That is equal to, sum of the marks of Lekhya are 20 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 divided by 4. That is equal to, this total marks of Lekhya will become 92 divided by 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So 23 marks. Find the average marks secured by Anju. Will you divide the total marks by 3 or 4? Why? Let us solve this problem. Average marks of Anju is equal to sum of all marks divided by number of tests. See here, Anju is absent in the unit test 1. She wrote only 3 unit tests. So we take the 3 unit test mark. 19 plus 23 plus 21 divided by, we divide only by 3 because she is absent for 1 unit test. So this will become total marks are 63 by 3. 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3, 21 marks. Third bit, Nilesh has given all 4 tests. Find the average marks secured by him. Will you divide the total marks by 3 or 4? Let us solve this one. Average mark of Nilesh is equal to total marks of Nilesh by 4. So Nilesh wrote all the 4 exams. So we will divide by 4 only. So 0 plus 20 plus 22 plus 24 by 4. This is equal to 66 divided by 4. 4 1 are 4. Remainder will be 2, 26. 4 6 are 24. And remainder 2 will become 20. 4 5 are 20. 16.5. Fourth bit. Who performed best in the English? We have calculated average marks of all the 3 students. So observe the average marks of Lekhya is 23. Anju is 21. Nilesh is 16.5. So Lekhya average marks are more than remaining 2 students. So therefore best performer is Lekhya. Next problem. 3 friends went to a hotel and had breakfast to their taste, paying 16 rupees, 17 rupees and 21 rupees respectively. Find their mean expenditure. Let us solve this problem. Mean expenditure is equal to total expenditure by number of persons. So what is the total expenditure? 16 plus 17 plus 21 by 3. That is equal to 54 divided by 3. So 318 is 54. This will be rupees 18 mean expenditure. Next problem. If they have spent 3 times the amount that they have already spent, what would their mean expenditure be? Let us solve this problem. If the expenditure is 3 times the expenditure they have already spent, so what is the total expenditure? Total expenditure is 54. So 3 times of the total expenditure we have to take. If the expenditure is 3 times then mean expenditure is equal to 3 into 54, 3 times of the expenditure, because the total expenditure 54, so 3 times of 54 divided by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 cancels, rupees 54 is the will be the mean expenditure. Next problem, if the hotel manager offers 50% discount, what would their mean expenditure be? Let us solve this problem. If the hotel manager given 50% discount, then if discount is 50%, then expenditure is equal to 50% of 54 rupees, because total expenditure 54. So 50 by 100 into 54. 51 ja 50, 52 ja 100, 2 1 ja 2, 227 ja 54. This is equal to 27 rupees. Next problem. Do you notice any relationship between the change in expenditure and the change in mean expenditure? The relationship between the expenditure and the mean expenditure is that they are proportional, because if the expenditure increases, then mean expenditure is also increases. If the expenditure decreases, then the mean expenditure also decreases. So expenditure and mean expenditure are in proportional. This is our answer. Next problem. Find the mean of the first 10 natural numbers. Let us solve this problem. Mean of the first 10 natural numbers is equal to sum of the numbers divided by 10. So sum of the first natural numbers is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 divided by 10. Sum will be equal to 55 and divided by 10. This is equal to 5.5. Next problem. Find the mean of the first 5 prime numbers. Mean of the first 5 prime numbers is equal to sum of the prime numbers divided by 5. What are the first 5 prime numbers? 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and 11. These are the first 5 prime numbers divided by 5. So the total will be 5 plus 5, 10, 17, 28. 28 divided by 5. That is equal to 5 5 is 25. Remainder will be 3. 5 6 is 30. So 5.6 is the answer. Next problem. In a set of 4 integers, the average of the two smallest integers is 102. The average of the three smallest integers is 103. The average of all 4 is 104. Which is the greatest of these integers? Let us solve this problem. Here the 4 integers are there. We have to find the greatest integer. We can find the greatest integer by the 2 hints only. Average of the 3 smallest integers and the average of the 4 integers. Let a comma b comma c and d are the 4 integers in ascending order. That means a is less than b, b is less than c and c is less than d. This is greatest integer is d. We have to find the d. By the second hint, average of the 3 smallest integers is 103. Given average of the 3 smallest integers is equal to 103. So a, b, c are the smallest integers in our assumption. So a plus b plus c by 3 will be equal to 103. The average of these 3 is a plus b plus c by 3. So a plus b plus c is equal to 3 is dividing here. If we transpose this 3 to the right side of the equation, it will multiply the right side. So 103 into 3. That means a plus b plus c is equal to 309. Take it as equation 1. Now by the third hint, given that average of 4 integers is equal to 104. So average of 4 integers is a plus b plus c plus d by 4. This is equal to 104. That implies a plus b plus c plus d is equal, this 4 will multiply at the right side, 104 into 4. So a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 416. 4 4 is 16, 4 1 is 4. We know that a plus b plus is 309. So substitute a plus b plus c with 309. That implies 309 plus d is equal to 416. D is equal to, transpose 309 to the right side, it will subtract 416 minus 309. That is equal to 107. So therefore the greatest integer is equal to 107. This is the answer. Question: write at least 2 questions to find the mean Given suitable data, giving suitable data. So we have to prepare two questions. Let us prepare a question. Question 1. Suppose Ravi got 20 marks in Telugu, 22 marks in English, 24 marks in math, 18 marks in science, 20 marks in social. We have given all the marks of Ravi in all subjects. Now we can find the mean mark. That means find the average or mean marks of Ravi. We can prepare another question like this. A RTC bus collected amounts for a weekdays as follows: 1500 rupees, 2000 rupees, 1800 rupees, 1900 rupees, 1700 rupees, 1500 rupees, 2100 rupees. Find the average collection of the bus. Like this, we can prepare any number of questions.